back to my channel. My name is Anne, and for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to make Shakey's style Mojos. It's a very easy step. You only need 3 ingredients. First, and most especially, is the crispy fry breading mix. Ayan. So any flavor will do. And this is not mine. I just took it from our kitchen. This belongs to somebody else. Thank you for sponsorship in advance. And we need egg and thinly sliced potatoes. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so this is a very easy step. Ayan, patatas lang, crispy fry and egg is swak na. Okay, so first step is to make sure that your hands are clean. Second is to take a piece of your sliced potato, dip it in your egg wash, and then last is the crispy fry. Alright, madali lang, di ba? And 1 down, more to go. Alright, so I will be pausing my video for now. I will finish these 3 steps and then I will be back to you. I'm back! So ayun, I just finished cooking pancakes for tomorrow. And for tonight, it's 12 in the morning. It's 12 midnight, I'm sorry. And I feel hungry. I feel like cooking pancakes and Mojos for today and for tomorrow. So ayun nga, I finished dipping the potatoes in the egg and flour. You know what guys, my pancakes smells so good. Kapag sinipag ako, I promise to share to you my recipe. Hi guys, so ayun, let's start cooking. So, okay, iniinit ko na ngayon yung aming pan. So, ayan, nilagay ko na yung patatas sa mainit na mantika. Kumukulo-kulong mantika. And ayan, so alaga lang tayo sa luluto nitong patatas dahil ayaw naman natin siyang matutong, diba? So, hintayin lang natin siya na mag-golden brown. And then, ayan na. Pwede na siyang kainin. Bango, ang bango niya, bango. Alright. Hi guys, so eto na. I'm so excited to finally show you our final presentation of Mojo, Shakey style Mojo. So ayan na. Eto na siya guys. Yay! Yay! Tan tan tan. Tan tan tan. Ayun, mapalit lang eh. So eto na siya, my pancake and yung Mojo ko, and it tastes so good. Ayan, so pwede na akong kumain ngayong alas 12 ng gabi. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Oh, if you think I helped you with this video, kindly hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, just hit the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, suggestions, and sisiguraduhin ko na mabasa ko as much as possible lahat ng comments ninyo. Ayan, so thank you guys for watching and have a great day.